And you guys have been asking about the house update. Good afternoon, guys. It's the next day. As I told you, it's all connected, so keep up. The first time I used it, I didn't have much left, but I think I have about 2 more uses left in this. And I guess that's because I did wet my hair first. I don't think I wet my hair the last time I tried it. I'm gonna just put a video in the description box so we can watch it together because it's been a while. I remember a few of you telling me that there's a bigger jar on Amazon. I may have to tap into that. I've just pulled back the twist. Now it's time to start the wash day process. For today's video, we're going to be trying the new shampoo routine. Basically, it's just gonna be washing my hair in twist. This is something that I used to do way back when my hair was shorter and when I was learning how to manage my hair. But since my hair has gotten longer, I've tried out different techniques where I don't really have to do that. But if you guys saw in my previous video, and I also think that I need to revise my shampoo routine. Since my hair has been getting so thick and full, I don't think washing my hair in this state is working anymore. I may need to go back to washing my hair in twists so I can get really into the roots. I'm gonna sort that out soon. I've been having some issues with cleansing, mostly in the front of my hair. And I know that's because I use a lot of gel and it's a very thick gel, so it seems like it's not getting washed out thoroughly. So if I put my hair into a twist and I really go in on the roots, especially in the front, I can get into all my hair and hopefully that will solve my problem. Or I may need to invest in a better shampoo, but I do double cleanse. But y'all, let's get into the video. We're in the shower. The shampoo that I've been using in rotation religiously for this big size, I'm almost finished with the shampoo. I did review this on my channel before. If I remember what I said about it, I wasn't too impressed. We'll be using the original mane and tail shampoo for shiny, manageable hair. Well, that's what they say. This shampoo claims to leave the hair soft and shiny. However, my hair felt very stripped, somewhat soft. This would be perfect if your hair is really dirty from product buildup and you need a reset. Like, you need your hair to be very clean. This will do that for you. It did leave my hair shiny though. It's a basic shampoo and it does a job of cleaning the hair. It can also be used to cleanse the body. I would rate it a 7 out of 10. A little does go a long way. I did use too much in the beginning. You really don't need much of this. Has just been doing the job. I just haven't bought shampoo in a while because I have so many. But yeah, I've been using that one a lot. Yes, there is sulfate in there. I've not been getting into the roots per se, so that's probably what the issue is. You just don't have to spend a bit more time shampooing now, specifically the front of my hair. And of course, I do drag my shampoo down the shaft of my hair. Having clean hair makes your products adhere to your hair better and do what they're supposed to do. But surprisingly enough, it's moisturizing, not too stripping. Editing razor hair. Yes, the first time I used this shampoo, my hair was very stripped, right? And you guys heard me say that. But after a while, when I continued to use it, my hair I didn't get the same feeling that I got from the first time. So maybe the first time I used it, my hair just didn't need to be that clean. I just came on here to say that sometimes products work differently depending on a lot of things, like how clean or how dirty your hair is, all kind of thing. Yeah, I just wanted to say that. Another shampoo in rotation, it's the Mielle Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing and Anti-Breakage shampoo. This is almost done as well, so let me rinse this out and we're gonna come back for a second wash. You still there? First wash is done. Now we're going to do a second wash. This is where I go with a shampoo on the moisturizing side. Again, roots and edges. I should look into getting a massage brush. That should be pretty cool. For shampoo, I just mostly focus on the areas that I know I get a lot of buildup. That's mostly my edges. And again, dragging the shampoo down. Shampooing the length of your hair is just as important as shampooing the roots. You want your products to work better. Let me rinse this second time. shampooing is done, I'm gonna apply some conditioner to add back in a little bit of moisture before I go in and deep condition. So let's unravel and apply some conditioner. I still have my TRESemmé Keratin Repair Conditioner in rotation. This is the last one of the bundle that I bought actually. But I'm just gonna apply the conditioner on each section of twist that I'm unraveling. I know this seems like a lot. This would have taken me no time actually, but the fact that I'm filming it for you guys, it just seems like it's a process. But you see how my curls are just accepting the conditioner? I don't always have to reapply more conditioner. I can just steal some from the back. The roots feeling kind of tangled. You guys see I haven't really even used any tools as yet. Give me a second, let me do the other side. Usually I do skip this step on wash day, but since I'm going to be blow drying my hair, no, we're not gonna do that. So I want to make sure I have a lot of moisture in my hair, so I definitely need to deep condition, right? So let me rinse this out, and I may see you guys tomorrow, to be honest. But I am going to deep condition my hair right now, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to be trying the last product from the Scala Export line that I bought. This one is the Maracuja one, so we're gonna do a deep conditioner hunt on this. Ooh, that feels so good. Y'all see the moisture, the hydration? That starts from a good wash day. Sooner or later, I'm gonna be able to show you guys the entire length of my hair. I don't have enough space to work with. I'm sorry. And you guys have been asking about the house update. Stay tuned for that video as well. Hair is rinsed out. There is nothing better than clean, fresh hair. So thumbs up this video, show your girl some love, because I really do love you guys, and I do wish that you guys show it sometimes, but I be seeing you guys who do, and I really bye.